To log into your WordPress site hosted on Namecheap, follow these steps. Log into your Namecheap account. Go to Namecheap's website and sign in using your username and password. Access the domain list. Once logged in, navigate to the domain list section from the left-hand sidebar. Manage your hosting. Find the domain where your WordPress website is installed and click the Manage button next to it. In the domain management page, go to the hosting section and click Go to cPanel. Access WordPress via Softaculous. In cPanel, scroll to the software section and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Find the WordPress icon, then click Installations to see all WordPress installs. From here, you can manage your login to WordPress. Direct WordPress login. Alternatively, access your WordPress login page directly by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin or yourdomain.com/wp-login.php. Enter your WordPress admin username and password to log in. Forget password. If you've forgotten your WordPress credentials, click the Lost Your Password link on the login page to reset it via email.